everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about inverse or indirect variation. This happens when one quantity increases while the other decreases. For example, the faster you walk, the less time it takes to reach your destination. It's like a perfect balance. When one goes up, the other goes down. Let's dive in and see how it works in real life.
Inverse variation means two quantities change in opposite ways. When one goes up, the other decreases. We write this as y equals k over x and k equals x times y. Here, k is called the constant of variation because when you multiply the two values, they always result in the same number. For example, if one value doubles, the other becomes half so that their product remains the same.
Let's try.
Start with a simple example. We're told that y varies inversely as x and y equals 6 when x equals 2. We need to find y when x equals 3.
Write the formula for inverse variation, which is y equals k divided by x. Then, we find the constant of variation when x equals 2 and y equals 6. So we got 2 times 6, which is 12. So our constant is 12. Then we substitute the values in the formula for inverse variation. So we got k, which is 12, which is the constant. Then we divide it by the given, which is 3. So y equals 4 when x equals 3.
This happens because the total product, which is 12, stays the same. When x gets bigger, y must get smaller to keep that product equal to 12. That's what makes it an inverse variation.
Let's try.
Now let's try another quick example. If y equals 8 when x equals 5, find y when x equals 10. First, write the formula for indirect variation. Next step is to find the constant. So when x equals 5 and y equals 8, the constant is 40. Next step is to divide the constant with the given number. So 40 divided by 10 equals 4. So x equals 10 and y equals 4. From 5 to 10, y becomes half. It goes from 8 down to 4. That's because if one value doubles, the other one must be divided by 2 to keep the product the same.
Now, let's look at some examples of real-life situations using inverse variation. About workers. A group of workers can finish a job in 6 hours. If they work twice as fast, how long will it take?
In this example, we can see that when the workers work twice as fast, they finish the job in half the time. That's because in inverse variation, one value, like speed, doubles. The other value, time, becomes half. So faster work means less time needed to finish the same task.
Here's another real-life example. A car on a trip. A car traveled a fixed distance in 4 hours at 60 km per hour. If the speed increased to 120 km per hour, how long will it take?
The constant here is 240, which is the total distance. When the speed doubles from 60 to 120, the time becomes half, from 4 hours to 2 hours. That's because going faster covers the same distance in less time. So as speed increases, time decreases. That's inverse variation.